Hello guys, welcome back to my art channel. Hope you all are doing well. I know. I apologize for not posting anything from past 1 or 2 weeks because I have been really busy. That being said, let's start the artwork. For today, I'm going to use watercolor as well as ink. So let me tell you, I really don't use ink, but this is the really pretty shade I like a lot. That's why I thought of using this to create an abstract art today. So yes, I do love to paint neat and clean and organized and pretty artwork, but sometimes I feel like I should let go of my imagination and paint something using different colors. Let me tell you, this artwork looks easy, but it took me almost half an hour to complete this artwork. And I don't mind if I made some mistake in this. I think mistakes is part of the process of learning something. If you're a beginner and you're learning, go wild someday and paint something which is original and it's your artwork. Maybe you don't like the end result, but it's okay because it's all part of growth. It happens to me multiple times that sometimes I create a beautiful art piece and sometimes I just make a disaster piece which in the end I have to throw in my dustbin. In my opinion, true artists are those who can self-criticize their artwork and understand what did go wrong and what did go right and try to improve next time. And lastly guys, do not get attached to your artwork because if you want to grow, you have to be honest of whatever you are creating. If it's good, you have to appreciate. If it's not, you should be able to let go and throw that particular art piece somewhere. I know it's hard, but it's all part of the process. So here we go guys, and the artwork is ready. Do let me know what you think on the comment box below of this video. If you like what I do and you think the videos are helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. I really appreciate that because your one like and one comment make a lot of difference in my video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.